Let's just go across to Nazir now, where more than 200 vehicles are stranded at various places on the closed Jammu-Srinagar National Highway. That's where Nazir is joining us, because incessant rainfall has increased the risk of flooding in several low-lying areas in Jammu. Nazir, first and foremost, the same question to you. When is the weather likely to improve? Is this normal for this time of the year? And most importantly, what's happening to those who are stranded on the highway right now? What happens to them in concerns when it comes to food and water?
Well, Sarah, there are more than 2,000, vehicles, most of them trucks. They're stranded here, and these people, the truckers and the people, are facing a lot of, problems along this Srinagar-Jammu highway. It is actually raining very heavily in Jammu side, and then if you see Pir Panjal side, there has been snow, and then on Banihal top, almost 1 feet of snow. That is why you see, hundreds of trucks, we say more than 2,000 trucks are stranded here along this highway, and they have been stopped here at the Udhampur-Jammu stretch. And the people who are facing the hardships are these truckers. They are facing the hardships. They are without food and the water. They are facing the problems of water, food, and they're carrying the essential supplies to the valley. Whenever this road gets closed because of the rains and the snowfall, it is the people in valley who actually suffer because of essential supplies. This is the only road link that connects Kashmir Valley with the rest of the country. It is in fact a lifeline. आप ये बताएं कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, कितने दिनों से आप यहाँ बंद पड़े हैं और क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है आपको?
जी, हम यहाँ से 3 दिनों से बंद है। हमें प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिलता है। यहाँ पे फ्रेश गाड़ी भी बंद है, और
ना कोई सर दुकान है यहाँ पे, ना दुकान है, ना कुछ खाने के लिए मिलता है, ना पानी मिलता है। यहाँ कोई इंतजाम नहीं है, ना कोई
सरकार की तरफ से कोई
आया नहीं यहाँ पे। हमें ना कोई पूछता है, ना कोई बताता है, ना कुछ खाया है, पानी है, कुछ भी नहीं। ट्रैफिक वाले के पास जाते हैं तो वो भी वहाँ पे लाठी उठा के भाग।
So clearly these people are stuck in inhospitable and in these inhospitable mountains along the highway for last 2 days at least, because on day for yesterday one-way traffic was allowed, but because of the heavy rainfall there was landslides there are multiple landslides along this highway, and that's why hundreds of trucks are stranded, and including the passenger vehicles here, and these trucks are carrying essential supplies like milk, like food items, and all the vegetables. They come because during winters nothing grows in the valley because of the winters, but and valley completely is depending on the supplies from outside, and when this road gets closed, the people here suffer. But for now it is the people, these truckers, who are actually facing a lot of hardships. They're without drinking water, without food, and government so far they are saying they have not come to their help. I spoke to a senior minister in Mufti Muhammad Saeed government. He said they are going to send the water tankers and also some food supplies to them, but so far nothing has reached them. Sarah.